the Bavarian snow slide. Seriously, these are about 5 kilos each. That's how much. This is about 10 meters high. So you're getting some good exercise. I'm running into Lucarana.
Louder.
Let's go on Bavarian snow slide. Oh, this is heavy. Subscribe to make me be stronger. And put a poo emoji in the comment for my brother to make him less stronger. But I still love everybody. Just like the subscribers. Wait! City! Let's go! Whee! Yay! That's cool, wasn't it, everybody? Ow! Bye. Love you.